Windsor is a part of Ontario that gets an awful lot of wet snow. We aren't like the northern climes where the snow is powdery and puffy. Ours is very wet and slushy, and we have the salt mines here, and we distribute a lot of salt on the roads to melt the snow and ice in the winter. And when we do that, of course, our assets are subject to corrosion.
Corrosion affects metal surfaces, and that corrosion is due to oxidation. Oxidation is a result of the presence of oxygen and moisture, and that can cause severe damage to any asset that's located in an outdoor environment. Ontech solution is really about repairing corrosion that has occurred over time and preventing it from reoccurring in the future. And that's important for any asset owner.
Corrosion greatly affects our equipment. It can cause us to proactively replace equipment that hasn't reached its end of life, which means we're spending money on assets that we shouldn't be spending money on, and that is detracting from other assets that we maybe should be investing in.
Ontech uses a cold spray solution to apply a formulated powder to metallic surfaces. And that cold spray solution is really built on a technology that is proprietary to Ontech and applies a coating that provides a permanency to the coating itself. That coating, once applied, will last on that surface for many years to come.
What Ontech really helps with is ensuring that you're going to either meet or exceed those timelines on your capitalization. Maybe you're no longer going to be a 40-year expected life. Maybe you're going to be a 45 or a 50-year.
So Ontech has been able to do some repairs to some of our units that have been corroding excessively. Some of that work has been done strictly from the outside of the asset, so it doesn't really interrupt our service at all. They sandblast away the existing corrosion, and then they treat it and then finally repaint it.
In order to track and monitor the performance of those repairs, we really depend on photos. So we will take photos about every 6 months, maybe every year if we can't get to it every 6 months, just to monitor how those assets are holding up. Usually we see that if there is corrosion developing on the asset, it will not be in the portion that we treated previously with the Ontech coatings, which really does speak to the effectiveness of the coatings.
Having a means of instituting corrosion control, cold spray technology to save and add to our asset life is very important to us, and ultimately leads to a better cost and a better asset life for our customers.